Imagine you are driving down the highway, and suddenly your transmission feels like it just forgot how to shift. It slams into gear, or maybe it refuses to shift at all, leaving you revving high with no power. Then that dreaded malfunction indicator lamp pops on. If you pulled the code P0887, do not panic and assume your transmission is completely blown just yet. This code specifically points to a transmission control module power relay control circuit high. In plain English, your car's computer, specifically the powertrain control module or PCM, is seeing a high voltage condition where it does not expect it in the circuit that powers your transmission controller. On many modern vehicles from Ford, Dodge, Kia, or Hyundai, the transmission relies on a complex network of computers talking to each other via the CAN or controller area network system. When this specific code triggers, it usually means the safety systems are kicking in. You might see your traction control light turn on, or even your ABS light, because these systems all share speed data. If the transmission computer cuts out or gets the wrong voltage, everybody stops talking, and the car goes into a defensive mode to prevent damage. This is why you feel that harsh shifting. The smooth, computer-controlled adjustments are gone and you are running on raw mechanical pressure. Before you go out and buy a strictly expensive new transmission control module, you need to do some electrical detective work. This code is often caused by something as simple as a bad relay or a blown fuse. Start by popping your hood and locating the fuse box. You are looking for the relay labeled for the TCM or transmission power. If the contacts inside that relay are stuck or burnt, it can send constant voltage when the computer expects none, triggering that high circuit code. You will want to grab a digital multimeter. You need to check if battery voltage is actually reaching the module properly. If you find that the fuse is blown, do not just replace it. Check the wiring for shorts. A wire rubbing against a metal bracket can cause a short that blows the fuse or confuses the computer. If the relay and fuses are good, you need to check the ground circuits. A bad ground is the #1 cause of electrical ghosts in modern cars. If you have voltage going in but a bad ground, the computer sees that floating voltage and throws the P0887. If you have ruled out the wiring, the fuses, and the relay, only then should you start suspecting the module itself. It is a bit of a process, but checking these basics can save you thousands compared to a transmission shop guessing and replacing parts.